Hello there. Today we will learn about plagiarism. So without getting delay, let's get started. What is plagiarism? In simple language, we can say that it is copying or stealing the ideas or words of another and representing them as own. Types of plagiarism. Following are the types of plagiarism. 1. Complete plagiarism. Copying the entire work and represents that work as yours. 2. Paraphrasing plagiarism. Rephrasing a piece of text, sentence, or paragraph in your words. 3. Verbatim plagiarism. Copying the text without changing the word. 4. Mosaic, patchwork plagiarism. Copying the ideas, thoughts from the different sources and placing them together and create a new text that representing as your own text. 5. Self-plagiarism. Reusing your own work that you have done previously. How to check plagiarism. There are many ways from where you can check plagiarism. Few are free online and few are paid software. Following are the tools that are used to check plagiarism, like Grammarly, Whitesmoke, Copyscape, Writer, K-Text, Copyleaks, BibMe, FreePostCO, Plagiarism, PaperRater, etc. How to avoid plagiarism. The best way to avoid plagiarism is to give a citation of the reference used. Always keep a practice that whatever you write from the other sources, it should be cited and listed the source details in the reference sections of your writing.